Hey guys, what's up? Normally I do HVAC related videos, Daikin related content, but this was a little DIY fix on a control knob. You always have the problem of the barrel on the other side of the knob that goes onto the D-shaped stem. After years of use or maybe abuse, like turning it too far and giving it a little twist, you always crack that little barrel that goes over the D-shaped stem. Then you have to get a new control knob, which goes from anywhere to 15 to 25 bucks. And I've seen people, I actually looked it up before I put this video up. If somebody else already had this fix on there and they didn't, they use zip ties, they use washers, all kinds of different fixes. And when I worked at the school district, we had air conditioning units, window units, that were in one of the older school buildings, and there was a lot of them, and we always had teachers that would turn it and break them. So it's hard to get a new knob that'll actually fit a window unit, because they're usually so old they don't make them anymore, and you can get one that doesn't match, which would do, I guess. But I found a real easy solution. I went to Ace Hardware and I got some brass tubing. 15-30 is the diameter that actually works with this style knob. 1 foot section, $3.79 is what it cost. Use about a 3/16 piece off the end of it. It's real thin, and it's not invasive at all. So once you cut off that 3/16 with the tubing cutter, you've got a piece that looks like this, and you slip it over. You slip the uncut edge, the reamed edge on first, and then the burr that you actually have from the cut, you leave it on there and you press it over. Then you can hold it in your hand and take like a screwdriver and kind of go around and kind of push it in and seat it around there to where it's actually past, to where it's not on the edge, but it's just past the edge, and that little burr digs into that plastic and it's not coming off. And this thing will not open up anymore. It'll fit right over the stem. And so if you've got a washer, a dryer, a window unit, maybe a newer window unit, and you've got a cracked control knob like this, you can fix it for under $4, and then you have stock that'll fix, oh shoot, 3/16 of an inch. I mean, you're gonna get 4 of them. So you get 48. You could fix 48 control knobs for $3.79 compared to $15 for one. So just a nice little quick video about a nice easy fix for a cracked control knob. I hope you found this informative, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.